One of the very first things I did was reach out to our HR partners just to propose a partnership idea. And I knew about the NYU Cyber Fellowship Master's Program, and I knew it would be just a great opportunity to address the shortage of cybersecurity talent. I mean, today, there's 500,000 jobs in cybersecurity that are unfilled. And the Cyber Fellows Program, it offers a scholarship to all qualifying US residents that covers 75% of the tuition. And after applying for tuition reimbursement, our employees have the opportunity to obtain a master's degree basically for free. So it was just an awesome opportunity. So I saw our collaboration not only as an incredible career development opportunity for our internal employees, but also just a great way to leverage NYU Tandon as a recruiting partner to build our team with external students enrolled in one of their cyber programs. And it's just been a phenomenal opportunity.